August 6, 2025, Wednesday, exactly 3 o'clock in the morning. Yes, good morning, Vavol. Excuse me, this is your Wave Teen. Eventually, I am very sorry with Monday and Tuesday. I am not keep on watching your Facebook Live with 97.1 FM radio station, Barangay Love Story Wanted Forever, and Good Night Philippines because my phone is slowly charging and faster Lovat. Bavol, don't worry. Please don't trust everyone to destroy our relationship, and please keep on praying with God to bless our wedding coming soon because Babel is conservative type and jealous type. Babel, please pray for me to have a permanently work to finish my nursing course, and thank you for sweet messages coming with you, Babel. I am keep on listening with my solar radio. Stay in Bulacan house. Thank you and God bless you, Babel. I love you so much, Babel.